Hello, hi, Namaskara. Today we are going to hike a mountain called as Krishnagiri mountain. This mountain is also known as Syed Basha Malai. This mountain is approximately 100 to 120 kilometers from Bangalore. In terms of difficulty, this hike comes under easy level of trekking or hiking. If you guys search for Krishnagiri trek in Book My Show app, there are some organizers who charge you 1200 rupees per head with pickup and drop facility from Bangalore. But if you guys choose to hike yourself, it will cost less and it will be a real adventure. The easiest and cheapest way to reach this place is to board a bus for Krishnagiri town and get down in the newly built bus stand and ask around for Krishnagiri fort or Syed Basha Malai. We reached the peak for 6 o'clock and witnessed a beautiful sunrise. Then we took some rest and enjoyed the morning sun, spent some time and explored the forts and caves in the mountain. We started to get down from the mountain for 8 o'clock in the morning. As the temperature was rising, we got down within half an hour. We got down within half an hour and we started back towards Bangalore. That's it for the day, guys. Hope to see you in our next vlog.